Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson, and today we're going to take a look at EGW Writings Cloud System. We call it EGW Cloud. What is EGW Cloud? Well, simply, it's where we enable our app to talk to our cloud servers to back up your study center information, your history, your reading, and also your listening history. Now, how does it work? Let's dive right in and take a look right here. So in the top right-hand corner of the EGW Writings 2 app, you will notice that there is a sandwich icon. If I click on that sandwich icon, you can see that you can sign into your app. So it says sign into your account. You say, oh, but I haven't got an account yet. That's not a problem. Tap on there. First of all, there's a little tiny sign that pops up that Apple's asked us to put there to tell us what the Study Center does and how it functions, and you can read it there. And once you've read that, you can click on Sign In. Now you say, okay, I don't have an account. You'll see under the login, the grayed out login there, it says all register now. So you click on the register now, and you will enter your username, and then your email address, and then your first name and last name, and then a password. Make sure you try to use 9 or 10 characters for a password with an uppercase and a lowercase and a special character and a number if you can. Make sure you have a combination of that. Once you have done that, you need to put a little check mark here, which says that you agree with our end user license agreement and privacy policy. Now you say, ooh, I don't want to give the white estate any personal information. Well, we need to be able to only track your first name, last name, and email address so that they can recognize you when you're signing into the app. We do not, however, share this information with any third party. It is stored securely on the EGW Writings 2 servers. And if you ever want to delete all the information, you have the ability to go to the cPanel and delete any information that was stored, including your study center and your personal first name, last name, and email address. Once you have filled that all in, you need to click on Sign Up. What happens next is you will receive an email, and in that email, it will ask you to authenticate the sign up process. You click on the little authenticate, and then once you've done that, it means now you can sign into the app. If you do not receive the email, you may need to reach out to tech support, but I would first check your junk email box. And if it's not there, then reach out to us. Now you've created the account, you can come back to the app and you can click on Sign into your account. And you click on Sign In. You will enter either the username or email address. So I'm going to enter, I was going to enter the username, but let me enter the email address, and this ios@ellenwhite.org is the same email address that you can reach out and contact us if you have any difficulty with the registration or the sign-in process. And then you enter your password, and once you enter your password, you need to click on that by logging in. You agree to our end user license agreement and privacy policy just like you did when you registered the account. And now you're able to click Log In. Once you've logged in, you'll notice that your first name and last name is displayed at the top of the side menu. And you'll see now that all my past history is displayed here. Now, what is EGW Cloud? What does it do? Well, you heard in the beginning, I said that it stored your My Library, your subscriptions, your study center, your history, and your listening history, and your search history. They are the things that the EGW Cloud backs up. Very useful if you lose your device or if you get a new device, then all you have to do is install the EGW Writings 2 app, log in, and there's all your information backed up and retrieved from the cloud. So like if I pick up my iPhone here, you will notice that when I click on the little sandwich side menu icon, you see my name again at the top, and exactly the same history is here. And when I click on search, you notice that I have, I I got to go through the search tutorial because I just installed this app. All right, so one more. There we go. I click on search, and there I have the same search history. So you can see how the two are synchronous. All right, so EGW Cloud has the benefit of being able to back up and sync all of that information that I just explained to you between devices, so between your Mac, between your iPad, between your iPhone, or even between our new EGW Writings website. Your data is all available and present. So I hope this tip today on signing into EGW Cloud has been helpful and beneficial to your study. May you be blessed and go with God. Have a nice day.